Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Tashwita Gupta, your ACCA mentor. So today, as you can see on the screen, I'm here to announce my September 2023 batches for FR and SBR both. So we are going to conduct classes this time both online as well as offline. So I'll give you details of both the mode of teaching. And for all my global students who are here from around the world, of course, you'll be attending it online. So let's first consider our online option and what all things you should note for my online batch. Okay. So if you guys are new to my channel, let me give you my quick introduction. So I am Tashwita Gupta and I'm teaching ACCA, FR, SBR and Diploma IFRS since 3 years now. And I have my work experience in IFRS and UK GAAP. Plus, I was one of the world's youngest ACCA affiliate. So if you feel that this girl is a little young, so yeah, because I qualified earlier, so I am teaching at an early stage as well. So but that doesn't at all compromise the quality. That is in fact an add-on feature, because when we are at the same age, we are in the same generation, we kind of relate. So I exactly know what all distractions, what all things you guys are facing while learning or while understanding the concepts. Plus, since I did it at an early stage, I always try to deliver the concepts from the scratch, because when I did, I was not aware of the basic debit and credit also. So when I did my ACCA, I was doing everything from the scratch. So that is what I consider for my students as well, right? So for my online session, guys, as you can see on the screen, the financial reporting. Now the orientation for financial reporting will be day after tomorrow, that is 18th of June. Now the link to register, the Zoom link is in the description box. Same for SBR, that is on 17th of June, that is tomorrow, and the link is in the description box. Now, if you want to enroll for my FR and SBR online sessions, which are a blend, that is recorded and live both, you can actually visit Wi-Fi's website directly, or you can WhatsApp on the given number, which is my number only. So if it takes time to respond on that particular number, please understand, I am one woman army, so I will be responding within 24 hours maximum. Okay, and till then you can visit the Wi-Fi website to see the details. Now in the orientation, since it is a free session, I would request everyone, if you are preparing for FR and SBR, irrespective that you've already taken classes or you don't want to take classes, do attend this class, because I will share the plan with you that by which week, which syllabus area should be done. And now you will be giving an assignment at this date you have to give your mock, this date we'll start with the revisions. So everything will be given in one plan. And for SBR specifically this time, we will discuss in comprehensive way that what are the changes in question number 1. So for that, it's very much recommended that you guys attend my orientation class. Then if I move forward for my offline sessions, so I've recently started my offline sessions, and this time, okay, I am conducting my classes in Kochi, that is Kerala, in the branch of ELANS. So this is a full batch that will be conducted from 0 to infinity, okay, that is from A to Z. The batch will be conducted in Kochi from 24th of June onwards. So if you want to enroll for my offline face-to-face batch, you can simply contact ELANS, or you can again WhatsApp on my number if you want any further details, right? Then in Delhi also, this time again we'll be conducting crash courses. So we are yet to establish in Delhi, so we will be just conducting crash courses. So if you enroll for my online sessions for SBR or FR in Wi-Fi, and if you want to go for my crash course also, you can join me online or offline. So offline is also the option, online is also the option for crash courses, okay? And again, this crash course will begin around 28th of August, so that's a lot of time is there still. If you want to show your interest, because I am not sure which subject I will be taking up in Delhi for crash course, FR, SBR or audit, so you can fill the form and let me know which one do you want. Okay, so we will do that accordingly. So that's my offline mode. So we've covered online and offline both. Now let me just show you some of my results. So these are few of my top achievers, few of them, okay, are here. So Saima, she was one of my first batch students from Advanced Audit and Assurance, and she secured a rank 1 in Nepal. Then I had Madhumati, she was again a very good student and got 81 again, she got a rank in her respective country. Sagar Kumar 84, Mandeep 81, Megha 77. So all these students are basically my SBR and FR students who've got these marks plus ranks in their respective country, right? And so that's it about my batch announcement. So I'm sure tomorrow I'll be seeing a lot of people around for the orientation classes. And guys, for the self-study students also, don't get disheartened. You will find full support in this channel. One platform for FR and SBR, that is this channel, and you will find A to Z, everything for SBR and FR as well, for self-study also. Of course, I can't post my whole lectures, but of course, I can help you with the, you can say, revisions and some important tips and tricks. So that's it, guys. All the best, and I hope this video was helpful. So see you in the batch now. Goodbye.